Hello guys, welcome back. So this is a lab session where we are going to do installation of Ansible. So the steps required to do the installation is as follows. So basically it is 4 steps process and where we are going to follow these steps. One thing we have to remember that at the third step, prior to executing the third step, we have to add this repository for Ubuntu system. So let's get started. Now go to terminal. So within the terminal, the first step we have to run sudo apt update. So it is taking time. Okay, once it is being done, we have to go through the second step. In the second step, we have to run the following command: sudo apt install software properties common. We have to so it will install the updated version. I have already been updated, that's the reason it was really fast. Now we are moving to step 3. So as I already mentioned that in step 3 we have to do some prerequisites. So what are those prerequisites? We have to add it as follows here. So now what we have to do, we need to add the repository first. Sudo apt repository Ansible repository. So we need to run this command. So here you have to press enter. So once you press the enter, then it will download those required thing and it will add it. So we have to wait for that. So once it is being done, so it is reading the package list. Once it will add, then we will move. Now it is being completed. Prerequisite is being completed. So now we need to move to the third step. So in the third step, we need to run the command as follows. Here sudo apt add repository yes update ppa Ansible user Ansible. Run the command. Now it is being updated. So third step is being completed now. Then we will move to install Ansible. So these are some of the prerequisites we need to install while doing the Ansible installation. It is pretty much a straightforward installation. So now done. Now we will run the command to install Ansible. Sudo apt install Ansible. So now we need to tell yes. So it will take time. So I'm just pausing the video. Okay guys, congratulations, we have installed Ansible. Now we are ready to roll you in the next session.